Yes, good morning students. So we are going to discuss today question number 10. What is given? Two equal sides of a triangle are 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. So first what is given? Perimeter of triangle is given. So the equal sides are depends on the third side. So we should take third side as x. Then equal sides are 2x minus 5. Why? Because 5 meters less than twice the third side. Less than means minus. Twice means 2x. So now we can say the sides are x, 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. Right? Yes. And what is given? Perimeter is given 55 centimeters. Perimeter is given as 55 centimeters. Means this is equal to 55 meters. From this equation you will get the value of x, right? Okay, I think no need to explain this, already you done in exercise 2.1, right? Next, going to next question. So here finding the x value, you will get the equal sides also. After getting the values, check the back answer. 21 plus 21, 42, 42 plus 13, 55. Okay, you can check the back answer or you can do the verification also. Now what is the next question? Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. By reading this, here not given anything, we have to know the concept of complementary angles. Already in earlier classes we learned about complementary angles. What is the complementary angles? Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Then the angles are called complementary angles. Okay. Listen here. And one more condition is given. What is given? They are different by 12 degrees. Okay. If you are taking one angle x means, then another angle is x plus 12. Sir, shall I take x minus 12? Yes, you can take x minus 12 also. Nothing will happen. So they are given differ by 12 degrees. Okay. One angle is x, then another angle is x plus 12. So add these two. You will get the answer of x. So the 39 you subtract from 90 or just you add by 12. Anyway you can get the answer. You know how to do this process. Okay, after that do the verification. What you got answer? 39 and one more answer is 51. 39 plus 51? 90 degrees. Yes, we done correct. And you can do the difference also. 51 minus 39. That is also 12 degrees. Yes, you can check like that also. Yes, next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of ages will be 56 years. What are the ages? What are the present ages? So already in 7th class you don't like this sum. Just here take as x as a constant. Then Rahul age is 5x. Then Lakshmi age is 7x. 4 years later means 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. Add this and write down this is equal to 56. You will get the value of x. This answer I am not explaining here. I am not showing the answer. You have to do and send to me in WhatsApp. You know, all of you know my number now. Yes, once again I am saying 7680 994 992. Send in WhatsApp. Okay. Next, question number 13. What is the question number 13? Yes. By seeing the question is 3 or 4 lines, don't get any fear. Like these big questions only will get easily. There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer. For every unattempted or wrong answer, 1 mark is deducted from the total. Means what ma? So if you done correct, you will get the 4 marks. If you done wrong or if you are not attempt, you will get the -1. Okay. Yes. If a candidate scored 450 marks, then how many questions he attempted? Yes. First, we have to know what we know. Yes, that you write down. Given total number of questions are 180. Okay. And total marks are 450. Okay. So the correct total questions are 180 means in that 180 just I am assuming what I am assuming the correct answers questions are X. So remaining questions are what now? Either maybe incorrect or not attempted. Yes, okay. Maybe connected questions are X, then incorrect or wrong answers are 180 minus X. So what is given for every correct answer? He is getting 4 marks. So for correct answers we have to multiply with 4 and wrong answers or not attempted questions we should multiply with minus 1. So if you add all these you will get as 450. Why? Because given the candidate scored as 450 marks. Okay. Once again listen. So correct answers means 4 marks. Wrong answers or not attempted means minus 1. Okay. 4 into x plus 180 minus x into minus 1. Why we are minus 1? Why we have to multiply with minus 1? Because it is deducting means minus. So 4x means 4x. 180 into minus 1 minus 180. Minus into minus plus. Don't get confused here. Here plus but here minus is there na. Plus into minus. 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 See plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. 4x plus x. 5x minus 180. Move to that side. Plus 180. From this you will get the value of x. Okay. So you got the x is nothing but correct answers questions. Next wrong answers are remaining unattended means how much? 180 minus 126 you will get the answer. Again you check it whether it is right or wrong. What we have to do? 126 into 4 plus 54 into minus 1. Yes, we got 450. Means we done correct. Next. What's the question number? 15. Sir, what about 14? 14, it is similar to like this only. You try that question. Here a hint also given. According to the hint, do the sum. Okay, instead of marks, their rupees is given. Do the sum. Okay, now next. Question number 15. What is given? A person spends rupees 564 in buying pens and pencils. Each pen is 7 rupees and each pencil is 3 rupees. And if the total number of things are 108, total number of things are 108, how many pencils, how many pens did he buy? Yes, same like this only. Now before the question, like if you do this, listen this question, you can do the 14th question also. Now what is given? First what is given, write down. Total money is 564 and cost for pen is 7 rupees. Cost for pencil is 3 rupees and total number of things are 108. So here two things, one is pencil and one is pen. Okay, so here we are taking as number of pens are x. Okay, the number of pencils are 180 minus x. 108 minus x. 108 minus x. Okay, so generally cost of pen we are multiplying with number of pens. Cost of pencil multiplying with number of pencils. Okay now. So we are adding. After multiplying we are adding. We'll get the total also or not? Yes. So 7 into x plus 108 minus x into 3 is equal to 564. Do the calculation. You will get the value of x. X is nothing but number of pens. Total things how many? 108. If you subtract x from 108, you will get the number of pencils also. Yes or no? Yes. Now question number 16. What is the question number 16? The perimeter of a school volleyball court is 177 feet. Length is twice the width. Yes, observe here. By reading only, we have to know perimeter is given and length is twice the width. So here length is depends on width. Width is nothing but breadth. So breadth you should take as x. Then length is equal to 2ax. Breadth is x means length is 2ax. Okay. Next, by seeing only we can say it is a rectangular. Perimeter of rectangle means 2 into L plus B. 2 into 2x plus x is equal to 177. You will get the answer. Next, question number 17. Easy question only. Okay. What is given? The sum of the pages of numbers on the facing pages of a book is 373. What are the pages numbers? Yeah, when you're opening, just see here, when you're opening this book, what you're seeing? The page number 44. Here page number 45. If I open one more page, what will come? Here 116 and here 117. So compulsory, this page number one more than this and this is one less than that. Yes. So this page I am taking as x. Then this page number is x plus 1. Okay. And the page numbers are x comma x plus 1. If I add these two, you will get as 37. So x plus 1 is equal to 37. I don't want to explain. You can do and you will get the value of x. Okay. With this problem, we can finish exercise 2.2. Right? And one more time I explaining this one. Listen here. In 7th class already learnt. Sum of two interior angles is equal its opposite exterior angle. Sum of two interior angles is equal its opposite exterior angle. Just concentrate. Find the value of x of the following figures. Sum of two interior angles is equal its opposite exterior angle. X plus 56 is equal to 123. Yes, from this equation you will get the value of x. Next. Here, what is given? 45, 68, 3x plus 16. Then how can we find the value of x? Sir, we know sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, sir. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. This is equal to 180. From this, you will get the value of x. Now coming to here. How can we do this? Yes, this is also like that only. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. X plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 180. Yes, okay. And here how can we find? See, these symbols are given. These symbols means it's isosceles triangle. Means this is equal to this. Two sides are equal, then its opposite angles also equal. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. From this you will get the value of x. Right. Now question number first bit, fifth one. How can we do? Yes, observe here. Given these two are parallel lines, no. Then how can we find these? See here. Given these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Okay. Then opposite angles also equal. This is 3x plus 10 means this is also 3x plus 10. Okay. Next, these two sides are equal. Then this opposite angle is equal this opposite angle. Okay na? From this, okay, you write these angles. After that, vertically opposite angles are equal. Just listen here. Yes. Listen once again. So this opposite sides are equal. Means this opposite angles also equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. This is 3x plus 10 means this is also 3x plus 10. Just write out there. Next here, this is 3x plus 10 means this is also 3x plus 10 na. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. And in this triangle, this is equal this means its opposite angles also equal. So listen here. This opposite angle is 3x plus 10. Then this opposite angle also 3x plus 10. So this is equal to 180. From the figure, you can find the values. Okay, then the next class we are going to discuss about exercise 2.3. First everyone has to finish exercise 2.2 and tomorrow I am going to conduct the test on exercise 2.2. Thank you.